Good afternoon and welcome to Conby Hotel. We're delighted to have your family here with us in Cebu City. I hope you had a smooth journey. Let me give you a quick overview of our amenities and some important information to help you enjoy your stay in our hotel. Our number one priority is breakfast is served daily from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. at our restaurant on the ground floor. You may ring your telephone to give you awareness. We have swimming pool on the rooftop open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Feel free to use it to relax and have fun. The fitness center is also located on the rooftop level and is open 24/7 with your room key card. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the hotel. Just connect to the hotel guest network and use your room number and last name to log in. If you need anything during your stay, our concierge desk is available from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. to assist with tours, transportation, and more. About checkout procedure, our standard checkout time is at 12 noon. If you need a late checkout, please let us know at least a day in advance. You can settle your bill at the front desk or call us from your room for express checkout. Especially safety protocols. In case of emergency, please dial 0 from your room phone to reach the front desk. Take note, our emergency exits are clearly marked on every floor. There is a floor map located on the inside of your room door indicating the nearest exit. In the event of fire, do not use the elevators. Use stairwell instead. We conduct regular drills, but if you hear the alarm, please evacuate calmly and head to the designated assemble area at the side parking lot. Once again, welcome to Conby Hotel. If there's anything else you need, please don't hesitate to let us know. We hope you have a wonderful stay with us.